At Davey, we operate in the domestic and commercial pool markets. They're very similar actually, because at the end of the day, everyone wants either filtration, water movement, or sanitisation options. When it comes to commercial applications though, we do need to look at customising the product more.
We were contracted by WJ Pratt. When they got the go-ahead to go ahead with the project, we were contacted and given the specification around the duties they needed for each individual water slide and the pumps required for that.